It's that time of year here in the desert Southwest when the temperatures creep to just over 100 degrees. The RV parks are thinning out.
Well, hello there. Glad to see you back. You know, this going to the gym's kind of been paying off.
Okay, did you get your summer haircut in the bath yesterday?
My pretty boy.
Huh?
And wouldn't you know it, we can access Thousand Trails online reservation system again. Don't get me started. We're making another move. It's small, but necessary. Grizz got a bath and his summer haircut. He doesn't seem to enjoy it while it's happening, but he's happy when it's over and does a lot of dancing and Reuben when it's over.
Hi, baby. Did you get your summer haircut in the bath yesterday?
My pretty boy.
Huh? You're very handsome.
Thank you for the chinny chin chin. Yes, that's very nice of you. I know you're showing me how to steer, huh? You're such a good guy. Come here.
And look, we got our favorite site again.
That's us. Well, hello there. Glad to see you back. We're going to do a little more vibrating today. It's my little term for doing some compounding on the rig. We're just about halfway through with this thing, at least as far up as I can reach. Most of the way around. I'd say about 99% of the way around. The only part I haven't gotten is under the ladder. I got to figure a way to do that on the back. Grizz is tired already. And this is our outdoor kitchen. It works great. No mess inside. Well, other than as a sous chef, the prep. A little fireplace, my Mesa tabletop. By the way, Mesa means table. Fireplace. Our tow vehicle. And my extension cord for compounding the rig. Another beautiful day in paradise. We're back at one of our favorite parks. It's been a month. We went to a place for about a week, and then we went over to Monte Vista, the gated community, for about 3 weeks, and now we're back here. It's our usual roundup. Except I think for the summer we'll bounce between Meridian and Monte Vista. We'll see how the scheduling system works for us. You know, this going to the gym's kind of been paying off. I'm feeling a little stronger. In the last week or two, I felt pretty doggone good. So we're gonna see how everything works out. And as long as I keep the energy levels up, I'm gonna keep working on the RV. I'll show you some of the stuff that we've gotten done here in a minute. In my life, I haven't made time as often as I should, and I have so many things to be thankful for. Happy Easter to us all.
We really like the way the shine comes out on a rig. It just takes a lot of time for one person to do it. After all, you're looking at compounding and waxing around 1,000 square feet, half of which is out of reach. He's very proud of himself, and I am too. To all the wonderful folks in this great community, thank you for supporting the channel. We hope to see and hear from you all here on OLT every Sunday at 5 p.m. Arizona time. Please, travel safe.